USCIS Form AR-11 is the alien's change of address card. Most non-citizens in the United States are required by law to report a change of address to USCIS within 10 days of moving. Filing AR-11 keeps your address current, so you receive important immigration notices. Filing online is usually fastest, but this form lets you report it directly. In this video, we will complete your identity, birth date, and new address. Start with the information about you. Enter your family name or last name, for example, Baker, your given name or first name, for example, Anna, and your middle name if you have one, such as Rose. Use your full legal name as it appears on your immigration documents so USCIS can match the change to your records. There is also a space for your alien registration number or A number if you have one. Next, enter your date of birth in month, day, year order. For example, May 12, 1990. This is a required field that helps USCIS confirm your identity along with your name and A number. Double-check the date against your identity documents, since an accurate date of birth ensures the address change is applied to the correct person in the USCIS system. Now enter your new physical address, the place where you now live. Provide the street number and name, for example, 123 Main Street. Then your city or town, for example, Austin, and complete the state and zip code. Note that a post office box is not acceptable for the physical address. The form also asks for your previous address, so USCIS knows where you moved from. Make sure the new address is accurate, since this is where your immigration mail will be directed. After entering your addresses, complete any remaining fields and submit the form to USCIS. Remember the 10-day deadline and that reporting your address on AR-11 is separate from updating an address on a pending application. Keep a copy for your records. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not legal advice.